Okay, in this video I'm going to explain how PostTrans updates contact information in Xero. First video is going to be on single transactions and then one on multiple transactions. So currently I have the tag THContact, and that kind of drives PostTrans to allow you to search for a customer. Okay, so in its default value, default setting, it looks for anything with a company name. So there we go. If I type in ABC, there was an ABC furniture there. It's now populating all the address and whether they owe us any money on the right hand side. But if we use account codes, we can actually change that setting in there. We're going into setup and defaults, and you can see there it says search by name. We can say search by account number. So if we're using the older traditional account numbers, it would therefore default to searching by, you know, if I type ABC and I'll see ABC accounts, etc. But anyway, there's a little bit more on that on in-cell searching. But what I'm here to discuss is this mode here. So if I select to read only, that will just populate the spreadsheet with the contact information if I've mapped anything. And then I'm talking about this portion here. Currently I've got the address mapped and the email address mapped. I also have to have the contact ID field on the spreadsheet, because then PostTrans populates that and it knows who to write back to. But you can hide that. There's a video on how to hide things. So effectively, I can, in this mode currently, create a customer. So normally you would expect that you open this and this will be in a blank state. So I could enter a new customer. Terrible spelling. 1, 2, and 3, and there's the address. An email address, ss at fct something blah.com, not vom. Okay, oh yeah, and we need to fill in the company name. I don't know, test company, maybe spell it wrong just to prove the point. We've already got some values filled in there. We've currently got the ignore zero quantity on, so it'll only post lines that have actually got a quantity against them. So effectively what should happen now is that should create a new contact with that address and put in, there we go, it says create test company, create the contact and import an invoice. So let's double click on 78, that reference there, and there we go, test company 78, waiting approval. And of course I could have posted a payment or all sorts of things against that very easily. It's that simple.